Hello, hello. My name is Caroline Hepfler, and today I will be sharing with you a book that I had published in 2009. It is called Huckleberry's Hiccups. This book was illustrated by my brother-in-law, Scott Hepfler. This book was a family project, and it was a lot of fun. And I am going to share with you today a little bit of the story. Huckleberry has the hiccups, and they won't go away. Huckleberry's hiccups are here to stay. Huckleberry asks his family, "What can I do? The hiccups are surely going to spread to you." "No, no," Dad says. "Hiccups can't catch." Dad sits down, then leaps right up, 'cause a great big hiccup made him jump. The story goes on to share about Huckleberry and his family and how they deal with the hiccups, and in the end, how Huckleberry gets rid of his hiccups. So please, go to your local library and request this book. And if your library doesn't have it, you can also feel free to purchase a book on my website at www.carolineheffler.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. Tune in to my Facebook fan page next week to enjoy another fun video. Thank you.